Alright guys, I'm back. This is a plasma TV. I brought this from outside, fell halfway down the steps with it, put it on my scale. It weighs 54 pounds. It was made in 2008, so it's 10 years old. Not sure how big it is, but high definition plasma. These are a boatload of money. The reason they're a boatload of money is because of how they're made and what makes them tick. So, I'm going to show you. Let me get this stupid thing off. What is inside of one of these? Here we go. Ta-da! There is just tons and tons and tons of stuff. This is shred steel, so that's a bonus. The rest is always plastic. So we'll put that there. These are just crap low-grade boards, but these ribbons right here, if you take these off and you flip them over, maybe I can rip that one off. Well, anyway, you can see it right there. These are all gold. They have gold on the ends of them. Every one of these. This is what was in that acid bucket that I showed you guys yesterday. So all of these have gold on them. So those get cut off. Lots of cast aluminum. Lots of extruded aluminum. This chip, get out of the light here. This chip right here is a gold corner BGA chip. I sell these for $50 a pound. If I don't sell them, what I do is I pull them off and I take them off of the chip itself, off the backing. And that chip alone has a ton of gold in it. If they're all the big chips like that size chips, they are 1 pound is like $100 in gold. Is what you can get out of them. I had a box of the bottom somewhere, but they have disappeared. I'm sure they're in my daughter's stack here somewhere. But yeah, those I sell. But right now, because I'm so busy, I don't have time to pull them, so I just put them in a box, $50 a pound, and my refiner just buys them outright for me. And then these here are BGA surface mounts, which are the little sister to these guys. These have a ton of gold in them as well. So if I wasn't so swamped, I would take those off and have them refined. And then these little crystals here, I have a million of them. Those contain silver. But yeah, these have, power board. Sometimes on this side, the ribbon will be gold or like a silver. Let's see if I can get this. This one is that's Michael No Noodle Arms, Mickey XOXO. This is gold, so it's got nice plating on it. So I love plasmas. And then once you take all this out, this right here is the backing. This is actually aluminum, but it has glass glued to it. So what I do with these is I save them. I put them out in the sun in the summertime. The sun heats up the aluminum, softens up the glue that's in between this and the glass, and the glass will just peel off of it. So Mother Nature helps me out. But yep, that's what's in a plasma. Sometimes these here will also have gold on them. Let's check real quick. Got my drill. Yeah, see, that one's not. It's just crap. But this piece is sheet aluminum, so that's a good deal. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 there. Cast aluminum. Sometimes these here will have the gold ends on them. Yep. So those got the gold on them as well. See on the bottom part there. So, yeah, a lot of goodies in the plasma. But I'm gonna see if I can get this taken off real quick. I'll be glad when I buy a GoPro. So now you have two damn hands. Oh my god. Problem is I'm trying to do it in a hurry. And a million screws. Bear with me, almost done. Ugh. And one here. One there. Yeah, use my phone to knock that screw out. Alright, let's see what's under here. Maybe. What is holding this? Oh, those bad boys right there. Wrong size. There we go. These are actually brass, these little bolts. Whatever the heck they are. They're a nuisance is what they are. Everybody tells me I should have been a doctor because I have a lot of patience. Oh my gosh. Alright. I'm going to throw this against the wall in a minute. So much for patience, huh? There we go. Trying to do it with one hand. So all these are card readers. I'm guessing. USB boards. Interesting. Yeah. Mickey XOXO needs to buy me an assistant to hold the camera or phone for me while I'm trying to outdo her on uploading videos. Ta-da! All that for nothing. Great. The only thing that's worthwhile on this board is that little IC chip right there. And there's gold-plated pins, see on the top of that plug. Unfortunately, I don't mess with them because I don't have time. But I just wanted to show you guys what was in a plasma. So now you know what's in a plasma. I actually pay, if I do buy these, I actually pay about $3 a piece for these. But I do pretty good on them. And like I said, just, you know, with the gold and take all the aluminum and the copper, and the wiring. What else we got here? Trying to see if there's like any little tantalums or anything like that. You know, like the BGA chip. Some more copper here. So, yeah, they're worth it. They're just really hard to handle. Like I said, this one here is 54 pounds. And most of the weight is glass. So, that's that. I might drop one more video today. Just to irk Mickey. I might just take that acid right there and just run it through the strainer. Show you guys how I collect it in the filter. And I already filled in that hole. since my last video, and I still got more computers outside. This tote here is hard drive casings. There's actually 70 pounds in here already. So it does stink. 70 pounds, a lot of 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 pounds. So I'll probably have close to, I'd say probably 900 to 1,000 pounds of just hard drive casings. So this is my next adventure, is this pile, which is power supply boards. No, power supply boxes. Oh, man, it's been a long day. So I have to find somewhere to store these. My yard used to buy them for copper bearing motors, but they don't buy them anymore because of the metal casing on them. So, but what's inside of them is, go here by the light. What's inside of them is just a small, it's just a power board. But, you know, once again, you got your extruded aluminum, your copper, you know, there's little IC chips. They're just tedious, they're time consuming. I could probably just take the boards out and pile up the boards and just scrap the tin. But I can sell these for 14 cents a pound. And these were actually all weighed. And I was already at almost 900 pounds in this pile here, because it goes all the way over there, you know, to the floor. And then those there, I had to cut the wires off. My one buddy in Ohio tells not to do it, but I just do it as a habit. And then I throw the wire in the wire bucket. So that's it. I need to go and see what my dog's freaking out about. We'll catch you guys on the next one, probably in a couple hours. Have a good one, guys.